Hey, what's going on, everyone? Listen, today we are going to talk about an online fintech lender where you can be able to get up to $250,000. Guess what? With no paperwork. Yes, guys, what I'm talking about is no hard pull, no tax returns, no financial docs, none of that stuff, okay? So listen, Christmas is right around the corner. We're getting ready to roll into 2026, and we want to be able to go ahead and learn about any funding opportunities. So you definitely want to check out this online lender. And guess what? Without any secrets or gatekeeping, this is none other than Bluevine. I am going to be talking about Bluevine today, which is the online fintech lender that you definitely want to know about. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it.
This conversation about building up your blueprint. It's time to take it, cause time is wasted. Go grind and chase it, don't lose it. This generation need integration with information to move with. An inclination that is abiding in entertaining improvement. Yep.
Hey, what's going on, Blueprint Nation? Welcome to another episode of the Respect My Blueprint show, where we give you all of the dope tips on business funding, personal funding. If this is your first time checking out the channel, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, 2025 is about to end. Christmas is right around the corner. We're not asking for anything in return, but just some love from you guys from subscribing to the channel. Appreciate all the love and support as we're trying to keep producing content to be able to help you guys rolling into 2026. Okay. Now, first things first, I want to go ahead and talk about in today's video is an online lender, which everybody should be familiar of if you're not familiar already, which is Bluevine, fintech lender here that you can qualify for up to $250,000 for business or personal funding. In this video, we're going to mainly discuss business funding, of course, but this is a great online lender where you'll be able to go ahead and get a revolving business line of credit, even if you're a brand new LLC. Yes, so this is great, guys. This is and the requirements is no hard pull on your credit report, no tax returns, no financial docs required. I mean, this is extraordinary because, again, there's not many online fintech companies that is offering this type of funding opportunities, right? And this is one of the most powerful fintech lenders helping small businesses right now, as well as new entrepreneurs to be able to get access to capital rolling into 2026. So in today's video, I'm going to not only break down how you'll be able to go ahead and get $250,000 in business credit, how you can even apply as a brand new LLC, how you can go ahead and use Bluevine's business line of credit to increase cash flow for your business. And guess what? The data points to be able to go ahead and get approved as well too, as well as being able to go ahead and bypass all the BS that a lot of these other fintech companies are talking about, right? So let's go ahead and get straight into the video and break down some of the meat and potatoes that you need to know about, okay? First things first, for those who don't know already, who is Bluevine, right? Bluevine is a fintech company that is built to make business banking faster and smarter and more efficient for small business owners out there. They were founded in 2000. Pretty much their approach is pretty simple, guys, to help small businesses access capital pretty easily, right? If you want my opinion, that's what all of these fintech lenders do, right? But neither here or there, right? But they started off by doing invoice factoring, which is helping businesses unlock cash tied to unpaid invoices. And they've evolved into a full digital business bank, which offers business checking accounts, business lines of credit up to $250,000, as we're going to talk about in this video, as well as SBA-backed loans and term loans as well too. So they have a full menu of products that I highly encourage you guys to check out. You know, pretty much what you want to do, you can think of Bluevine as your all-in-one business bank and funding engine built for entrepreneurs who want to be able to go ahead and access capital without having to go through all the red tape or anything like that, okay? Now, they do for their business checking accounts, which I highly encourage you guys to go ahead and take a look into. Boom, as you can see here, they offer three. This is Bluevine's website. If you have not checked out the website already, this is how you'll be able to go This is the website here, guys. So Bluevine, like I said, they are a fintech company. And let's go ahead and look into their checking accounts, guys, right? They offer 3 different checking accounts, guys, to be able to go ahead and help you guys out. As you can see, they say you can save money with no monthly fees, earn high interest on checking, as well as they provide FDI insurance up to $3 million, not the standard $250,000, guys. We're talking about up to $3 million here, guys. That they do have 3 different business checking accounts that they have available, but it seems like it's not being shown the different checking accounts that they have on their website. But guess what? I've done the research for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. They do have a standard checking account, which is absolutely free. There's no monthly fees, unlimited transactions, FDIC insurance up to $3 million that we have just shown here, guys. And guess what? You earn 1.3% annual percentage rate on any balances that you have over $250,000. Now, the mid-tier plan, which is called the Pro plan, now it's $30 a month for this plan, but guess what? You can qualify to waive that $30 fee if you go ahead and meet certain features and qualifications that they have, such as direct deposit and things of that nature. But again, once you go ahead and log into their website, you'll be able to go ahead and see what it takes to go ahead and qualify for this. But the great thing about this plan here is that the increase on the AP on the what you can earn is 2.0 APY. And guess what? You also get 6 months of free of zero subscription as well, too, if you go ahead and select their Plus plan. And finally, of course, is their Premier plan, which is 3.25% of annual percentage APY that you're going to earn for up to $3 million. And guess what? You also include priority support as well as treasury access, as well as this plan here is a little bit pricier, is on the $95 per month. I wouldn't encourage anybody or suggest anybody to sign up for this account unless it does fit your lifestyle. As you can see, the $95 a month, you're talking about $1,000 per year here if you select this particular business checking account, okay? But I would highly encourage that you start off with the standard plan, which is the free plan. And once your business banking account gets rolling, you start generating some income and revenue and everything like that, you could always increase or upgrade to any one of the Plus or Premier plans as well too. So that's something that you definitely want to be able to look into. Just don't right out the gate go for the higher tier plans if it does not benefit you. All right. So, but one thing I do like about Bluevine, they do have one of the cleanest, one of the cleanest dashboards out there, guys, where you can manage your business checking account, your payroll, taxes, invoices, bill pay, even any term loans and line of credits, all in one place here, guys. So that's extremely phenomenal. This will be able to go ahead and allow you to streamline your business, a lot more easier. No multiple logins, no waiting for updates. Every transaction is done in real time, all in one dashboard. And guess what? You can even connect accounting tools such as QuickBooks, Xero, and invite your accountant directly inside your dashboard here as well. So you can correlate all of your transactions and make things a lot more easier for your business. Again, that's why I'm doing this video talking about Bluevine, because again, it is a personal favorite of mine. I highly recommend it to a lot of my community members as well as my mentees, as far as being able to go ahead and access quick capital and to help their business as well too, when it comes to being more streamlined, being a lot more organized as well. All right, so here's pretty much how we get into the $250,000, right? Because we're about 10 minutes into this video, and guys, I know you definitely want to be able to go ahead and learn more about this, right? So first things first, Bluevine offers a revolving line of credit, which means once you pay down your balance, the credit resets automatically. So it's sort of like a credit card without the plastic, right? So that's the best way to look at it, is cash. All right. Now their limits go all the way up to $250,000. It starts at $10,000 from $10,000 to $250,000, and the interest rate starts around about 6.5%. And the repayment terms, generally you can select from weekly or monthly repayment terms, whichever is more comfortable for you. And guess what? You have instant draw and same day funding. That right there is the greatest selling point. So which means if you do qualify for their business line of credit, you'll be able to go ahead and get the money put in your bank account as fast as the same day. You can use this money for things such as marketing campaigns, inventory, payroll, expansion, to inject some cash flow into your business. This is one of the few no-doc options that still reports to business credit bureaus, to Experian, Equifax, as well as Duns & Bradstreet, helping you build your business profile while leveraging capital all at the same time here, guys. So yeah, there's a reason why I'm doing this video, because again, Bluevine is definitely one of the heavy hitters in the game, and I highly recommend for small business owners, even if you're a brand new LLC, guys. All right.
Hey, what's going on, Blueprinters? This is a video that I want to go ahead and share with you guys to encourage you guys to go ahead and join the Blueprinter community. If you want to go ahead and level up to that next level in building generational wealth, as well as empowering yourselves on financial literacy and credit literacy, I definitely encourage you to go ahead and join the Blueprint movement. We have some great things that's up and coming down the pipeline of this year. Many of you guys know my rags to riches story started actually right after the pandemic, with that story and my experience during that time frame of me being a successful serial entrepreneur, launching the different ventures that we're launching here. And I felt like it's an obligation for me to go ahead and share it with you guys in my experiences, as well as, the trials and tribulations that I was able to learn and overcome. With that being said, guys, definitely go ahead and join the Blueprinter community. Tap in with us. We have some major things coming down the pipeline. I'm very excited with the movement. I'm very excited on where we're going. I'm definitely encouraging you guys to definitely tap in and join us, man. Listen, not only are we going to show you how to build generational wealth, but we're going to have a good time in doing it. All right. So tap on in with your boy. All right. See you later. Bye.
So here's what you're going to need to qualify. Here's the data points, right? Okay. So let's get into it. First things first, you must be in business for at least 6 months. So if you're generating less than that, you still probably qualify 8,000, 9,000. Yeah. But do expect to be able to go through a lot more scrutiny than those that would have at least 10,000 a month, right? And you must have at least a personal credit score of 625. They do a soft pull from TransUnion, so do be aware of that as well too, okay? New LLCs can get approved. The only thing that you will need to do is link your business checking account, where they're going to verify your business activities. So they're going to want to check if you have activity, even if it's from platforms such as Stripe, PayPal, or just your business bank account. Bluevine can analyze your cash flow and determine how much that you qualify for the business line of credit. The great thing is that this is an AI-based platform, so approvals can happen as fast as a few hours here, guys. I mean, speed is the name of the game here. When you're looking to get some capital, last thing you want to do is wait 2, 3, 4, 5 days, even a week. You want to be able to go ahead and partner up with a lender that can get the money to you as soon as possible. As you know, this can be the difference of being able to go ahead and get that extra truck for your logistics business, increase marketing, pay for ads, whatever it takes to be able to help scale your business, get it to the next level, okay? Now, good thing is, like I mentioned earlier in this video, beyond lines of credit, Bluevine also offers term loans, which is up to $500,000 with repayments up to 6 to 24 months, and SBA back loans. And guess what? You can stack these options as your business grows, building layered access to capital for your business. All right. So Bluevine, guys, that is everything in a nutshell. The experience that I've had with Bluevine has been, for the most part, largely positive. And I can tell you this is built for entrepreneurs wanting to be able to go ahead and access capital in a rapid amount of time. Is, as fast, paperless approval. They have a very clean dashboard, like I mentioned, great terms. The only small drawback that I do got to say is that they don't have any physical branches, and they have a short verification window. So there is a trade-off for some of the speed and automation that they do provide. But if you're serious about scaling your business as well as building a foundation for your business, Bluevine is the real deal, guys. All right. But listen here, if you was able to get great value from this video, if you also want to learn about other funding opportunities that we do provide, I want you to go ahead and check out our online community that we have put together for entrepreneurs like yourself, where you'll be able to go ahead and not just access plays and institute and online lenders and opportunities like at Bluevine, where we'll be able to go ahead and share with you other lenders. We have, dozens and dozens of lenders that we are partnered with personally, and we could also provide you to be able to go ahead and access $50, $100, $200,000 in funding. We also have a 3-step process if you're having any credit challenges to be able to go ahead and repair, build, and leverage your credit to be able to go ahead and access this type of capital. So if you want to be able to do so, check out our school community. Description is down below, where you'll be able to go ahead and be able to join our community of like-minded individuals and entrepreneurs like yourself going into 2026 to be able to go ahead and help scale their business. Also, in 2026, we are rolling out the first ever business solution platform where you'll be able to go ahead and access your business credit report, as well as our new AI-based funding engine. It's Uptrend Business. You definitely want to go ahead and grab and join the waiting list. This is going to be the premier and only business funding software. It's in the show notes and in the description down below. All right. Well, listen, thanks for tapping in again. If you got great value from this video, do me a huge favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can keep up to date whenever we drop dope videos like this. Also, if you have applied for Bluevine and gotten approved, let us know in the comments. We want to hear about it. No gatekeeping. That's the only rule that we have here. No gatekeeping by myself or anybody that's a viewer in this channel. We want to be able to go ahead and spread the love, spread the knowledge, spread the wealth to everybody and as much people as possible so we can help entrepreneurs in 2026. Small businesses is the backbone of America to be able to go ahead and get to the next level. All right. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tapping in. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, guess what? You made it this far. You already know what I'm going to tell you. We're going to catch you on the flip side. Take care. Peace.
Blueprint, yeah. Blueprint. This conversation about building up your blueprint. It's time to take it, cause time is wasted. Go grind and chase it, don't lose it. This generation need integration with information to move with. An inclination that is abiding in entertaining improvement. Yep, Wesley Paul with Blueprint. This guests are exclusive. Get on and tune in and then learn some new tips about credit, finance, investment. A nice chance to get rich and buy land. Flip it, quick 9 bands. Learn all the skills from Wesley did it. Learn how to build successful business. Run up a mill and get the digits. Run up a mill. Look, safe place where guests are speaking. Based off financial freedom. All facts, no cap, believe it. Podcast, you have to see it.